Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to disable the grand totals from pivot table report. As you can see in the screen here, I have created this pivot table report from this sales data, and here my requirement is to disable this grand total columns. For this, click on the pivot table, then go to design tab. Here you have this grand total option. Click on this. To disable the grand total for column and row both, click on this off for rows and columns option. If you want to enable the grand total in row only, then you can go to the grand total option. Then click on this on for columns only. This will calculate the grand total for columns. To show the grand total for the rows, again go to this grand total option, then click on this on for rows only, and you will get the grand total for the rows. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.